2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 62,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.